How to fix auto lock grayed out on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix auto lock grayed out on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just open the settings menu on your device. On the settings menu, swipe down to find battery and tap on it. Here, make sure low power mode is off. Guys, you can't change auto lock time unless low power mode is off. So turn off low power mode. After turning it off, you can now change your lock screen time. So go back to display and brightness. Swipe down and tap on auto lock and then select the time. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.